Hi, Kumars! Gawa tayo ng lasagna. Okay, put sauce first. Spread it out para hindi lang mag-stick yung pasta. Then, our lasagna pasta. Then, our beef. And then cottage cheese. You can use ricotta. Then, your mozzarella cheese. Then, your sauce again. Then layer again, okay, until it's finished. This is the last one. Okay, you can make hollandaise, but we're not doing that. Just cheese on top. Some Italian, then bake for 30. Ang ating